Sweet, so let's go over this recap. Now, I've done January, I've done December, and now I'm going to be doing February, so I can keep you guys up to date on exactly what's happening within the business model, because a lot of you guys are working individually, and just to know a little bit more about what is actually going on can help you out a lot. So let's get into it. January, February, they're both off months or off-peak months, so we're not expecting sales to be absolutely sparkling. But January, it actually did a very good job. January, a lot of people smashed it, mainly because there was a lot of AI trends going around in January time. And that did obviously flow over a little bit to February, which is good. So in February, it's been a pretty good month. Despite being off peak, people have still got very good sales. So if your sales are completely down in February, then that isn't to the average. You're probably just below average there. Sales have been pretty good in the kind of general rule of things, which does show that the business model is growing, which is also very, very good. And obviously, the Fanview's 22 million of funding. I don't think that's quite activated yet, but I'm sure that's going to help us out a lot in the next few months with the platform growing. Valentine's Day marketing went very well for a lot of people. They structured their marketing campaigns so that they got a lot of losers messaging them on Valentine's Day because obviously they had no one else to message. Unfortunately, that is very unfortunate. But yes, being in your mum's basement, you're not normally the number one pick when it comes to girls. So that means they end up on Fanview messaging your model, which is great. And then on Easter. Easter is coming up very, very soon, next month, I believe. If I've got, probably, whenever the fuck Easter is. But that's going to be another marketing campaign. So if you market your model correctly on Easter, you're going to be able to get a lot of money, a lot of customers across. So start building this hype up towards Easter content. Start hyping people up about converting across your Fanview page because you've got special Easter content there. All of this kind of stuff. It sounds stupid. It sounds very much Matrix kind of stuff. But this is what these guys do. They look forward to the seasons, to the events, and Easter is an event. Now, new technology. Let's talk about the AI stuff. Get into the nerdy stuff which you guys probably want to hear about. AI tech. Nano Banana 2 has just been dropped. Now, is it the best thing to use currently? No, I'll probably say not. Nano Banana Pro is still better than Nano Banana 2 at the moment. This is February time. In about a month or two, maybe more, maybe 3 or 4 months, Nano Banana 2, I'm almost certain it's going to be better because some of the nerds will get their hands on it. They'll put it into some cool configuration which is going to make it a lot better. But right now, just stick to Nano Banana. Wait out for a few more weeks, months for the nerds to kind of get their hands on it, create something pretty cool, and then you can start using that. Because at the moment, it's pointless converting across. So that's kind of the AI tech side of things. Kling 2.6 motion is very good, motion control. That is a very good software, which a lot of people are using in their reels currently. So obviously keep an eye out on that, and that's definitely worth using. It's an upgrade from the WAN 2.2 Animate. So that upgrade is obviously very useful. Not safe for work content is actually enhancing as well. It's improving very much over the last 2 months, 3 months, which is great to see, especially within this industry. So it's going to be a lot easier for you guys to make not safe for work content moving forward, which is obviously quite a big challenge in the space. Now let's go into marketing. What is happening with marketing? Now firstly, like I mentioned, marketing campaigns for Valentine's Day helped out a lot. Marketing campaigns for Easter will help out a lot, so make sure you're doing that. However, in general, Instagram, people are still getting banned left, right and centre. There's a purge every single week, which is not fun. It's expensive to get your accounts back, if you even can get them back. If not, you're going to have to go find a way to make a new account, whether that's a new phone, maybe same phone, depends on the ban. But IG bans are very present. I'll still say IG is the best marketing strategy for sure. Even with this negative, it's still far superior to every other marketing method. But X is starting to catch up. X or Twitter is starting to improve a lot. They're getting more in the game, and a lot more people are using the platform to promote their model, which means that a lot more customers are going to go there for content, and there's going to be more of an audience to convert. So X is definitely growing, so I will keep your eye on that. And also Reddit. Unusually, Reddit is starting to grow. Now, over the last year, I've probably spent about 2, 3, 4 grand on Reddit strategies. None of them really worked for AI models. However, in the last 4 months, I haven't really done that. And AI technology in the last 4 months has gone crazy. So seeing Reddit suddenly start to appear obviously I'm a little bit gutted because I've wasted so much money, but if it's starting to work now, that's obviously because of the AI tech's improved, and that means it's going to help us be able to get more money, because Reddit is a good source of traffic. Most of the time it's very US dominant. So Reddit coming into the game is very good, and maybe I'll do a lesson on that in the future for you guys, but it's obviously a good driving force for OFM. So if it's coming into the AI OFM game, we want to know about it. We want to hear about that. So Reddit is definitely a good option, but IG is still the main driving force. However, the main problem I'm seeing from a lot of you guys currently is the problem you're having with IG and audiences. A lot of people are gaining an Indian or Asian or an audience which we do not want on our page because it's not going to make us money. That's why we don't want them. So a lot of people are going down the wrong route. They're not getting an American audience. They're getting this Asian audience, which isn't good, because you can't really get money off someone that doesn't have money. So what's the point in having an Indian audience or someone that doesn't have money watching your content? You know, it's pointless. It's going to mess you up in the algorithm. However, with the American audience on Instagram, that's obviously very good, because Americans have money and you're going to be able to get money off of them, which means you want more American people watching your content. Because if you don't remember, Instagram works in a way where the audience you currently have, you will get pushed towards more of that audience. So if I get loads of American people watching my stuff, the Instagram algorithm is going to push me to more American people. So if I've got loads of Indians on my account, that's not good, because American people aren't going to view my stuff, which is bad, because I want them American people because they have the money. Make sense? And then the last thing that I'll probably mention with this month is a big release in terms of a new course that's come out. Now there's a free AI OFM course. This is the first free AI OFM course. So this is pretty cool. So if you guys did want to learn, you don't need to watch my YouTube videos nowadays. You can just go straight across to this course, learn everything from there. Maybe come back to these YouTube videos just to see the updates, but you can simply follow along very easily on these YouTube videos. So I highly recommend that you go over to this course, startaiofm.com. I'll link it down below. It's 100% free. All the information from months and months of experience from myself and also my team that have constructed this for you. So go have a little look at that, and that's going to help you out a lot when it comes to learning how to do AI OFM. But overall, moving forward, don't worry about World War III kicking off, because I know it currently is right now. Ignore that. Think about your AR model. Focus on your AR model. A lot of people in these times are going to start spending money on Fanview, because times are classed as uncertain, especially if they're watching the news. So that means they're going to spend a lot more money on Fanview because they're panicking. They want a distraction, all of this kind of stuff. And being an AR model owner, you're going to provide that distraction for them, which is extremely important. So make sure you continue to make good marketing campaigns for Easter, which is coming up. You can continue to market more aggressively and start to push it, because coming into the summer months or the spring months, you're going to get a lot more people coming into this space because they've got their money back from Christmas. They obviously spend a lot of it then, and they're building their funds back up. They're normally built it back up by start of summer, and they're willing to spend a lot of it again. So starting to build up your model a lot more now, maybe even start a second one, start pushing that as well. It's going to help a lot when it comes to getting more money through this business model, and using events like Easter is a great way to be able to do that. So hopefully this has helped, and if not, watch back on some of the videos and also on the course, which will help you out a lot more.